other humans like me?
Dinner is served. Why, thank you, kind sir. Candy fruit, where? I'm starving. Starve? That was all the food we had left.
Let me help you with that. So good.
Please, eat. Our chef has made this feast for you.
Huh?
Oh, excuse me.
Great. First we're in a dungeon, and now we're being tortured with multicolored insanity.
Hurry! Get us all out of here!
No. Well, I guess that just about covers it. Right, Stuart?
Yep, sure does.
We are not a pack of wild animals.
These two are animals.
Buddy, watch him. And keep him away from sharp objects.
Okay, how about this one?
How do you know the Rim of Heaven?
You just said it?
Have you been there? That dragon is so annoying.
Because you can't eat just one. Just try. Es imposible.
If you were not my brother-in-law, I would have eaten you a week ago.
Huh? I saw it first.
Oh, I think not.
Excuse me.
What you got there, Captain?
Well, slow down before you choke.
If I slow down, I'm afraid I'll taste it. Too late.
Fetch. Sneeze. Achoo. Bless you. Fetch, Burp. Pardon me.
But all is not lost, for we still have the golden kibble.
Here's the plan.
Nailed it! Charge!
There are 4 of them? I was tricked!